Today I'm going to show you how to import an application template and assign it to a node. First, start on Thwack and get the template you want. Here we have an example. Just download the file. Then return to your SAM summary page. Go to Manage Applications. Select Application Monitor Templates. And Import. Then browse for the file. And open. And submit that. After the import, your new template will appear. Select the template. Assign it to a node. Select your node from the list, or search for it. You can assign multiple, then go Next, and then Test. Assuming everything is green, that means the template is working, and you can assign application monitors. Once it's been created, you can view or assign more application monitors. After your next polling cycle, your application should show as up, and all of your statistics will be available. And that's how you import an application template and assign it to a node. For more information, visit SolarWinds.com.